Question number 1. Who is the first Finance Minister of India to present 8 consecutive Union Budget? The right answer is C. Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 2. What is the new loan limit under the Kisan Credit Card scheme as per the Union Budget 2025? The right answer is B. 5 lakh rupees. Question number 3. Which state is said to benefit from the establishment of a Makhana board as announced in the Union Budget 2025? The right answer is B. Bihar. Question number 4. Which mission aimed to boost pulses production over the next 6 years as per the Union Budget 2025? The right answer is B. Atmanirbhar Pulses Mission. Question number 5. How much has been allocated to defense sector in 2025 to 2026 budget? The right answer is A. 4.91 lakh crore rupees. Question number 6. What is the target for nuclear energy development in India by 2047? The right answer is C. 100 GW. Question number 7. What is the maximum income up to which no income tax will be payable under the new regime? The right answer is C. 12 lakh rupees. Question number 8. What is the fiscal deficit target for 2025 to 2026 as a percentage of GDP? The right answer is B. 4.4%. Question number 9. The National Institute of Food Technology and Management will be established in. The right answer is C. Bihar. Question number 10. When was the Union Budget 2025 to 2026 presented in the Parliament by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman? The right answer is D. February 1, 2025. Question number 11. What percentage of government revenue comes from corporation tax? The right answer is B. 17%. Question number 12. Which digital platform will be set up to promote international trade? The right answer is B. Bharat TradeNet. Question number 13. Which state will receive financial support for the Western Koshi Canal project? The right answer is D. Bihar. Question number 14. Who presented the Union Budget for 2025 to 2026? The right answer is B. Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 15. How many agri-districts will be covered under the Dandihan Krishi Yojana? The right answer is C. 100. Question number 16. What is the aim of PM Dandihan Krishi Yojana? The right answer is B. Enhance agriculture productivity. Question number 17. Which of the following is identified as the first engine of growth in the budget? The right answer is C. Agriculture. Question number 18. The budget aims for how many women to be involved in economic activities? The right answer is D. 70%. Question number 19. What is the allocation for healthcare in the 2025 to 2026 budget? The right answer is B. 98,000 crore rupees. Question number 20. Which scheme was announced in the Union Budget 2025 to 2026 to promote Indian language and provide education to students in their mother tongue? The right answer is C. Indian Language Book Scheme. Question number 21. What is the total allocation for the Ministry of Home Affairs in the 2025 to 2026 budget? The right answer is A. 2.33 lakh crore rupees. Question number 22. How many credit cards for micro enterprises will be issued in the first year? The right answer is C. 10 lakh. Question number 23. Which of the following will be responsible as a catalyst for the rural economy? The right answer is A. India Post. Question number 24. The Jal Jeevan Mission has been extended until which year to achieve 100% coverage? The right answer is C. 2028. Question number 25. In budget 2025 to 2026, the foreign direct investment limit in the insurance sector has been increased from 74% to what percentage? The right answer is C. 100%. Question number 26. Which new fund is proposed to be set up for the development of green hydrogen? The right answer is C. National Green Hydrogen Mission. Question number 26. Which new board is proposed to be established in Bihar to improve production and marketing? The right answer is A. Makhana Board. Question number 28. Which finance minister hold the record for presenting the highest number of union budget in India? The right answer is D. Morarji Desai. Question number 29. What is the theme of the Union Budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is D. Sabka Vikas. Question number 30. In budget 2025 to 2026, which scheme will be implemented in 100 agricultural districts to boost vegetable and food production? The right answer is C. PM Dan Dhyan Krishi Yojana. Question number 31. Which article of our constitution deal with financial matter? The right answer is B. Article 112. Question number 32. According to the Union Budget 2025 to 2026, a greenfield airport will be established in which state? The right answer is B. Bihar. Question number 33. How much has been allocated to the education sector in 2025 Union Budget? The right answer is A. 1.28 lakh crore rupees. Question number 34. Which act will be amended to support private sector participation in nuclear energy? The right answer is B. Atomic Energy Act. Question number 35. What percentage of government revenue comes from income tax? The right answer is C, 22%. Question number 36. Which source contributes the most to the government revenue in 2025 to 2026 budget? The right answer is C, borrowings and other liabilities. Question number 37. Where will a new urea plant will be established with an annual capacity of 12.7 lakh metric ton? The right answer is D, Namrup, Assam. Question number 38. Which ministry received the highest allocation in the 2025 to 2026 budget? The right answer is A, Ministry of Defense. Question number 39. What are the engine of development highlighted in the Union Budget 2025? The right answer is E, all of the above. Question number 40. How much has been allocated for the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in the 2025 to 2026 budget? The right answer is B, 75,000 crore rupees.